Looking for cafe-quality coffee at home? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima, a premium coffee machine that combines smart Vertuo brewing with an integrated milk system for delicious coffee and milk recipes. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima, water tank, drip tray and cup support, milk carafe, Nespresso capsules box, manuals and documentation. Product features: prepare cafe-style cappuccinos, latte macchiatos, and creamy milk-based drinks with a single touch. The removable milk container is easy to refill, simple to clean, and can be stored in the refrigerator between uses for added convenience. Brew a wide range of coffee sizes, including espresso, double espresso, grand lungo, mug, XL, and carafe. The machine automatically selects the correct brewing parameters for each capsule to deliver consistent taste in the ideal cup every time. Advanced centrifusion technology spins the capsule at high speed while reading its barcode to automatically adjust the brewing settings. This ensures optimal extraction, rich flavor, balanced aroma, and a naturally thick, velvety crema on every cup. The machine reaches the ideal brewing temperature in about 30 seconds, allowing you to enjoy coffee without a long wait. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity support automatic software updates, helping maintain optimal performance and compatibility over time. Technical specifications: product overview, machine overview. Display overview. Milk carafe overview. How to use. Fill the water tank with fresh drinking water and securely reattach it. If you're preparing a milk-based beverage, fill the milk container with cold milk and connect it to the machine. Turn on the machine and wait approximately 30 seconds until it reaches the ideal brewing temperature and the indicator light shows it is ready. Open the machine head, insert a compatible Nespresso Vertuo capsule, and close the head securely. Place a suitable cup under the coffee outlet, then press the desired coffee or milk recipe button. The machine automatically reads the capsule barcode and adjusts the water volume, brewing time, and extraction settings to deliver the perfect cup with a rich crema. After brewing, open the machine head to automatically eject the used capsule into the built-in container. If you prepared a milk-based drink, run the automatic milk cleaning cycle and rinse the milk container before storing it in the refrigerator. Empty the used capsule container and drip tray regularly and allow the machine to switch off automatically when not in use. How to pair? Download and install the Nespresso app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, then sign in or create a Nespresso account. Turn on the Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima and open the Nespresso app. Tap Add a Machine and follow the on-screen instructions to put the coffee machine into pairing mode. Select the Vertuo Lattissima from the list of available devices and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, the app will confirm successful pairing, allowing you to access smart features such as custom cup sizing, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. Maintenance. Empty the used capsule container and drip tray on a regular basis to prevent overflow and keep the machine hygienic. Wipe the exterior with a soft, damp cloth. Rinse the water tank with fresh water and clean the coffee outlet and capsule holder to remove any coffee residue. Run the descaling program using the recommended Nespresso descaling solution whenever the machine notifies you or according to your local water hardness. Regular descaling removes mineral buildup, helps maintain brewing performance, and extends the life of the machine. Refill the water tank with fresh drinking water before each use and remove used capsules after every brew. Regularly check that the capsule holder and coffee outlet are clean to ensure smooth operation and consistently great-tasting coffee. Run the automatic milk cleaning cycle after each use to prevent milk residue from building up. Rinse the milk container, lid, and tube thoroughly with warm water after every milk-based beverage. If the container still contains milk, store it in the refrigerator until your next use to keep it fresh. How to reset? To restore the Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima mat to its factory settings, plug in the machine and remove any connected accessories, including the milk carafe and descaling pipe. Turn on the machine, then press and hold the hot foam button until the descal and rinse lights begin blinking. Press the hot foam button again to enter reset mode, then press it once more within 15 seconds to confirm the factory reset. The milk recipe lights will blink to confirm the reset, and the machine will automatically return to ready mode. Safety tips. Use indoors only. Avoid hot surfaces. Use the correct voltage. Handle hot liquids carefully. Unplug before cleaning. Use compatible capsules only. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.